Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Myself Reena from Jaipur Javier's Public School. You all know that we were teaching last class how to write capital cursive and how to write capital cursive A to J. So today I will teach you how to write and how to trace capital cursive K to N in your cursive writing book. So let us start, children. Firstly, I am showing you your cursive writing book. This is your cursive writing book and we will open page number 12 and 13 in your book. This is page number 12 and this is page number 13. We will mention date. Both of page, today's date is 20 of July 2020 and SW also. We will mention both of page date and SW. Okay. Now we will start. Firstly we will trace capital cursive K dot to dot like this. सबसे पहले हम कैपिटल कर्सिव के को डॉट टू डॉट ट्रेस करेंगे. देन वी विल मेक इन नेक्स्ट लाइन सेम लाइक दिस. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डॉट लाइक दिस एंड मेक लाइनिंग like this, and capital cursive K will be make in 3 line. Now we will make a small cursive K. You all know that how to make a small cursive A in notebook and book. So firstly we will trace like this. सबसे पहले हम trace करेंगे and I know you all will be make capital cursive K and small cursive K. So firstly we will trace like this, then we will make same like this in next line. Firstly we will put dot, but already dot put here, so we will start from dot small cursive K. You can see we will start from dot, then we will make capital cursive and small cursive K. Okay, now we will make together and trace also together capital cursive K and small cursive K. Firstly we will trace together capital cursive K and small cursive K dot to dot like this. You can see how to trace. After complete the tracing work, we will make in next line with together capital cursive K and small cursive K. Firstly we will put dot. For capital cursive K we will put dot in between line first and second line, and we will start from dot like this and we will make like this, and we will put dot for small cursive K in third line and we will start and make like this. सबसे पहले हम डॉट पुट करेंगे. कैपिटल कर्सिव के बनाने के लिए डॉट बीच की लाइन में फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड लाइन के बीच में पुट करेंगे एंड मेक लाइक दिस. एंड स्मॉल कर्सिव के बनाने के लिए डॉट हम थर्ड लाइन में पुट करेंगे एंड मेक like this. I hope you all are understood how to make capital cursive K and small cursive K. Now we will make capital cursive L. Firstly we will trace like this. पहले हम trace करेंगे dot to dot, then we will make same like this in next line. We will start from dot and make like this. We will start from dot and make like this. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we will make a small cursive L. You all know that how to make a small cursive L. Firstly we will trace, then we will make in next line from dot. आप सभी को small cursive L बनाना आता है, I know. Now we will make capital cursive L and small cursive L together. Firstly we will trace like this dot to dot. पहले हम trace करेंगे कैपिटल कर्सिव L एंड स्मॉल कर्सिव L एक साथ ट्रेस करेंगे. नाउ वी विल मेक इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. फर्स्टली वी विल पुट डॉट. वी विल पुट डॉट फॉर कैपिटल कर्सिव L between second and third line, and we will put dot small cursive L in third line. Now we will make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive L and small cursive L. Okay, I hope you all are understood how to make capital cursive K and capital cursive L. Okay, now we will make capital cursive M, small cursive m, capital cursive N and small cursive N. Page number 13. Okay, firstly you will mention date like this, then you will start your work. Firstly we will trace capital cursive M डॉट टू डॉट लाइक दिस. सबसे पहले हम कैपिटल कर्सिव एम को डॉट टू डॉट ट्रेस करेंगे. देन वी विल मेक इन नेक्स्ट लाइन सेम लाइक दिस. यू कैन सी हियर ऑलरेडी पुट डॉट, सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डॉट, गो अप, कम डाउन, गो अप, कम डाउन एंड टर्न लाइक दिस. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डॉट, गो अप, come down, go up, come down and turn like this. Okay, now we will make small cursive M. Firstly we will trace small cursive M dot to dot like this. Then we will make in next line same like this. You can see already dot put here, so we will start from dot like this. You all know that how to make a small cursive M. Okay, now we will trace together capital cursive M and small cursive m. You can see how to trace. You will trace dot to dot like this. आपको dot to dot trace करना है. After complete the tracing work, you will make same like this in next line. Firstly you will put dot. After put dot you will make like this. For capital cursive M, we will put dot between second and third line, and for small cursive m, we will put dot in third line. Okay, now we will make like this, and you will make also like this. I hope you all are understood how to make capital cursive L and small cursive m in your book. Okay, now we will make capital cursive N. Firstly we will trace dot to dot like this. Capital cursive N will be made in 3 lines. So firstly we will trace like this, then we will make in next line like this. You can see already dot put here, so we will start from dot and make like this. Okay, now we will make a small cursive N. Firstly we will put dot. You can see already dot put here, so firstly we will trace dot to dot like this. Now we will make a small cursive N, and you all know that small cursive N will be made in 2 lines. Okay, now we will make capital cursive N and small cursive N together. Firstly we will trace like this. We will trace capital cursive N and small cursive N together. Now we will make in next line same like this. Firstly we will put dot like this, because after put the dot it is make easy for us. डॉट पुट करने के बाद ही हमारे लिए बनाना इजी हो जाता है, क्योंकि हमें फिर पर्टिकुलर जगह का ध्यान रहता है कि हमें ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. सो फर्स्टली वी विल पुट डॉट. ओके, नाउ वी विल मेक लाइक दिस कैपिटल कर्सिव एन एंड स्मॉल कर्सिव एन. We will start from dot like this and make like this. I hope you all are understood how to make capital cursive K2 and you will make also like this in your book, in your notebook. Okay, now you can see complete both are page and you will do same like this. Okay, now we will meet in our next class. Please, I have request to all students, you all do both our page like this and submit also. Okay, bye bye children.